Procrastination, the silent thief of time. We've all been there, putting off important tasks until the last minute, only to feel stressed and overwhelmed. But what if I told you there's a way to beat it? Today we're diving into simple, research-backed strategies to overcome procrastination and regain control over your time. Before we get into strategies, let's understand why we procrastinate. Spoiler alert, it's not just about being lazy. Procrastination often stems from emotional triggers like fear of failure, perfectionism, or even decision paralysis. Once we address these emotions, we can start working more effectively. Strategy 1. Break tasks into smaller, actionable steps. When faced with a large project, our brain often sees it as overwhelming. The key is to divide it into bite-sized chunks. For example, instead of writing "finish essay," break it into smaller steps like research main points or write the introduction. This makes the task less intimidating and provides mini wins along the way. Strategy 2. Use the Pomodoro technique. This popular method involves working for 25 minutes, then taking a 5-minute break. Why does it work? It creates a sense of urgency and helps maintain focus without burning out. Research shows that short, timed work sessions are much more effective than trying to power through long hours. Strategy 3. Eliminate distractions. Procrastination often feeds on distractions, whether it's your phone buzzing, an open tab of social media, or clutter on your desk. These small interruptions can derail your focus. Take simple steps like turning off notifications, keeping your workspace clean, and using tools like website blockers to stay on track. Strategy 4. The 2-minute rule. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. This principle, made famous by productivity expert David Allen, helps clear your mental clutter. By handling small tasks right away, you free up energy and momentum for larger, more important ones. Strategy 5. Set specific, realistic goals. A vague goal like study for exams can leave you feeling lost. Instead, make it specific. Review biology notes for 30 minutes at 7 p.m. Specificity gives your brain clear instructions, making it easier to act. Strategy 6. Let go of perfectionism. One of the biggest causes of procrastination is the fear of not doing something perfectly. Remember, done is better than perfect. Aim for progress, not perfection, and remind yourself that you can always refine your work later. Procrastination isn't a permanent habit. It's a pattern that can be broken. By applying these strategies consistently, you'll start to notice a shift in your productivity and mindset. Remember, the key is to start small and stay consistent. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a productivity boost. Together, let's overcome procrastination and achieve our goals.